हेलो एवरीवन, जैसा कि आप देख पा रहे हैं स्क्रीन पर, मैं यहाँ पर कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस लेकर आया हूँ जो कि टेबल टेनिस से रिलेटेड है। टेबल टेनिस के मैंने सारे इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस को चूज किया है जो लास्ट एग्जाम्स में आए भी हैं और आगे के एग्जाम्स में आने की संभावना भी इनकी ज़्यादा है। क्वेश्चन आंसर हिंदी और इंग्लिश दोनों में दिए गए हैं, फिर भी मैं क्वेश्चंस को इंग्लिश में एक्सप्लेन करूंगा ताकि जो भी हमारे स्टूडेंट ISC या CBSE बोर्ड से रिलेट करते हैं उनको भी कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं आएगी। बिना देरी किए हुए वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं। So these given multiple choice questions are very important considering the physical education written exams. Now let's start the topic without any delay. So please stay tuned to the video and watch full. Now we are coming on question number 1. The table tennis sports originated where? India, Australia, USA, England. Correct answer is D, England. Question number 2. What are some of the names that table tennis has been called over the years? Flim Flam, Gaussima, Whiff Waff, all of these. Correct answer is D, all of these. Question number 3. An official standard ping pong table is usually green, but it can also be what color? White, black, orange, blue. Correct answer is D, blue. Question number 4. Table Tennis England or English Table Tennis Association established in which year? 1921, 1924, 1927 and 1929. Correct answer is A, 1921. Question number 5. International Table Tennis Federation formed in which year? 1923, 1926, 1927, 1932. Correct answer is B, 1926. Question number 6. The international rules specify that the game is played with a ball having a mass of 2.5 grams, 2.6 grams, 2.7 grams, 2.8 grams. Correct answer is C, 2.7 grams. Question number 7. What is the diameter of the table tennis ball? 30 millimeters, 40 millimeters, 50 millimeters, 60 millimeters. Correct answer is A, 30 millimeters. Question number 8. For the opponent to have time to realize a serve is taking place, the ball must be tossed a minimum of in the air 18 centimeters, 17 centimeters, 15 centimeters and 60 centimeters. Correct answer is D, 16 centimeters. 9. When did table tennis included in Olympics? 1928, 1960, 1980, 1988. Correct answer is D, 1988. Question number 10. How large should be the table tennis for the game? 9 feet by 5 feet, 9 feet by 6 feet, 9 feet by 7 feet and 9 feet by 8 feet. Correct answer is 1, 9 feet by 5 feet. Question number 11. What is the height and width of the center net? Here answer D will be right. 6 inch, 15.25 centimeter and 6 inch. Question number 12. A standard game ends when the player scores how many points? 25 points, 21 points, 15 points, 11 points. Correct answer is D, 11 points. Question number 13. For which of the following a player would not receive a point if this opponent hit the ball twice in a one turn, if this opponent's free hand touched the table, if this opponent's return passes without touching the table, if this opponent's ball touched the net. Correct answer is D, if this opponent ball touched the net. Question number 14. Which one of those is not a table tennis shot? Loop, chop, smash, pop. Correct answer is D, pop. Because popping is putting top spin on the ball and chopping is the reverse spin. Smashing is, well, hitting the ball as hard as you can. Question number 15. What is the ready stance for playing table tennis? Straight leg, elbow bend, arm at side. Straight leg, elbow straight, arms out. Bend leg, elbows bend, arms out. Bang legs, elbows straight, arms at side. Correct answer is C, bend legs, elbow bend, arms out. Question number 16. The old method of scoring table tennis was scoring to 21 and switch serve every 5 points, scoring to 11 and switch serve every 3 points, scoring to 15 and switch serve every 2 points, scoring to 18 points and switch serve every 3 points. Correct answer is A, scoring to 21 and switch serve every 5 points. Question number 17. The revised method of scoring table tennis is scoring to 21 and switch serve every 5 points, scoring to 15 and switch serve every 2 points, scoring to 18 points and switch serve every 3 points, scoring to 11 points and switch serve every 2 points. Correct answer is D, scoring to 11 points and switch serve every 2 points. Now coming on 18, what is it called when hitting the net while serving and the ball successfully marks it over the net? Set, deuce, toss, let. Correct answer is D, let. Question number 19. Who gets the point when a let occurs on a serve? The server, the defender, no one, everybody. Correct answer is C, no one. 20. In table tennis, double the serve must land in either box, go to the person you pick to serve to, land in the box diagonally to U box, bet hit backhand. Correct answer is C, land in the box diagonally to U box. Question number 21. Table Tennis Federation of India was founded in which year? 1921, 1926, 1927, 1931. Correct answer is B, 1926. 22. Who is the president of TTFI? Table Tennis Federation of India. Mantu Ghosh, Manohar Khattar, Dushyant Chautala and Sandeep Chal. Correct answer is C, Dushyant Chautala. Question number 23. Who is the first Indian table tennis player ever to become 9 times senior national championship, hence breaking the record of 8 times national championship? Kamlesh Mehta. Satyan Gyansekaran, Satyan Gonda, Manika Batra, Achanta Sarath Kamal. Correct answer is D, Achanta Sarath Kamal. Question number 24. Manika Batra becomes first Indian woman to bag an individual gold medal in Asian Games 2018, Olympic Games 2016, Commonwealth Games 2018, and none of these. Correct answer will be. So friends, you have seen all the important questions have been given which have come in last exams. So I think this will be very helpful for your exams preparation. So if you are new to my channel, please like and subscribe the channel and press the bell icon button for upcoming future videos. So see you in the next video. Thank you. Jai Hind.